Okay, so what's up, guys? So, blueberries, blue dish liquid, or some type of blue soap, probably dark blue, like the darkest blue would probably be the best, but I don't know, try what you want. And apple cider vinegar. I used about half a cup of blueberries because I only got so much hair. So I probably won't even need all this, but you know, I probably used maybe a tablespoon or maybe 2 of ACV. Wasn't that much. I didn't read measurements on like the other one with the food coloring, so I don't know what they did. But and then I used probably just a spoon of dish liquid, but I don't know, because I just put it in there until I felt like it was soapy enough. So yeah. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this time, because I just happen to be making some red cabbage, and the cabbage is purple, so I don't know why they call it red cabbage, but so the purple cabbage. And I was looking at the liquid and I was like, yo, it's purple. So I put a little bit in there, and it wasn't much. It was probably like a pinch, maybe 2 pinches. It wasn't much. So I got more cabbage, but because I already started with blueberries, I was like, I don't know. So maybe next time we try cabbage. How about that? But man down, had a bad week. It smells bad because of the ACV. Okay, so it did work. Y'all can't tell, I don't think, but I can tell. Yeah, it's like I did it like 4 times because I just wanted to see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna blow dry it after I moisturize my hair, and that's all I ask for you.
I hang from the chandelier, everything looks better up here. Take me from the pain at home. I'm trying to be, I guess, fair. Do what's considered right.